Hey everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. This week we finished our pumpkin theme. I am not going to do a video today sharing what we did for that meeting because really it was pretty similar to what we did on Tuesday. So I'm going to drop a link in the description if you'd like to watch that video to get an idea of how we did week 2 of our pumpkin theme. What I wanted to quickly talk about today was November because I've received several emails and it's also been a popular topic in our Facebook group about what are you going to do in November. What we're going to do is we're going to have a fall theme, and within that fall theme we're going to be doing things with leaves, squirrels, acorns, and pine cones. And the last week before we go off for our week-long Thanksgiving break, we'll do a little bit with thankfulness and turkeys. But I also have a post on my website that shares all the things you can do all year long. It comes with this handy free printable as a resource, so it kind of breaks it up by season. So if you're always ever wondering what can I do in the spring, what can I do in March, what can I do in the summer, whatever, this blog post gives suggestions, and these were all compiled from my readers giving me suggestions on what they do during the year. So make sure to check out this blog post. I will drop a link in the description. And also, if you were looking for more ideas, I helped create these fall lesson plans. We have a complete set for preschoolers ages 3 to 5, and we have a complete set for toddlers. So this is something you can check out. We've done the work for you. We have so many different activities in here that build all the important skills, and there are some, if the activity comes with free printables, you'll get links so you can download those and use them as well. So again, I'll put the links to these fall lesson plans in the description for preschoolers and for toddlers. And then for going back to what we're doing starting next week, we are going to start with leaves. So tomorrow our families will come get their packets. Every other week we have what's called Packet Pickup Friday. So I am available out in front of our building for a half hour, and the parents can come and pick up whatever we have for them, our packets. And these packets always include some sort of a prop. And if you've been following me for a while, you know how important props are for doing virtual teaching. Well, even in-person teaching, I feel they're important. So I gave the parents last week these prop boxes. They were late. We got them late this year, but they have them now. So they have their prop boxes at home for their children. Each child has their own prop box, and every 2 weeks I'm going to give them a different set of props to put into their box. Plus I might tell them to bring back a prop that we used in the past. For example, our star for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So for the next couple of weeks, they're going to be getting these leaves. And this is a free printable. I just created it, and it is on the website for you if you're interested. I'll drop a link in the description, but there is a set with red and yellow and green and brown leaves, and I simply copied them, laminated them, taped them to craft sticks, and then they're going to get these and put them in the prop box because we're going to use those leaves with some songs and finger plays, and they get to hold them while we do some color activities and read books, which I will share more with you next week as I do each meeting. So I would love to hear what themes you are using for November, and I'm sure that everyone else would love to see what we're all doing as well. So if you could take a moment and in the comment section, let us know what themes are you doing in November. That would be wonderful, and I will be back soon to share more of our meetings. Thanks for watching.